Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you a very fast and healthy home remedy. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for this remedy. I have ginger, I have lemon, and I also have honey, and I have 1 liter of water. So guys, this home remedy is what I normally use in my home with my daughter, my husband. Anytime maybe I'm down, I'm having little flu, cold, this is what I use. Maybe if I try it for 1, 2, 3 days, then before I can go to doctor. If it doesn't pass, I will go to doctor. So guys, you can try it out at home too. It's so good. As you can understand, ginger is very good for our health. Also with honey and lime, they have a lot of things they do in our body. For example, ginger is good for high blood pressure, it's good for heart problem, it's good for cholesterol, it's good for many things in our body. How many I can name? A lot of them. So guys, let's get started. So now I just pour the water on my pot, on my cooker. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll put all the chopped ginger inside the water. Then I'll add my lemon. Then I will leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. When it's cooked, I will just leave it to cool down for about few minutes, then I'll sieve it. And I'll add some lemon. So guys, you see, it's so easy to make. It's not hard, it's not difficult, and all these ingredients you can get them at the supermarket. Anywhere you go, you can find them. So you can just try this out in your house and see how it comes out. So this is what I normally do on my home. Before I go to doctor, I'll try this first. So if I'm not okay, I try maybe 1 or 2, 3 days, I'm not still getting better, then I'll go to the doctor. Maybe then he can prescribe some antibiotics for me. But first of all, I just try this one out. So guys, and I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you all that have already subscribed to my channel. Guys, I want to really say a very big thank you. I can see the support you guys are giving me. You guys are my power, you are my strength, you are my everything. When I see my subscribers, my views, the way you people are watching my video, it gives me more strength to do more videos, to show appreciation to you guys. And even though it's even one person that subscribed to my channel, I will continue showing you guys what I know how to do. So thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.